We're down in the basement. Barringhouse's home. We're looking at two separate systems. On my right, we've got the system that feeds the first floor. On my left is the system for the second floor. In pulling these out, there is a walkout basement. But there's carpet, so we need to make sure that we bring floor runners and tarps, clean floor runners and tarps to set down on all the floors. But in taking these systems out, both of our drops are 26 inches deep. This one is 26 by 14, I think it was 14 or 13, but I'll double check that measurement. But they are sized from an airflow perspective. They are sized right, but the main thing that we need to do is we need to put each of the furnaces up on a base. These are old Lennox electronic air cleaners. They took out the electronic media. They use 5-inch filters that are stuck in there. So we're gonna replace those with Aprilaire media filters. We're gonna need a 20 by 25 for both systems, 25 by 25 for this system and a 20 by 25 for this system. We need to put them both up on a base. So we're gonna have 6-inch bases for both furnaces. So we're gonna take our return drop down. Actually, from a transition perspective, we're likely going to remake our return drops, because to get proper airflow, this one's going to have to get shifted over about 3 inches. And this one, we can actually shift the furnace over an inch or two and then offset the supply plenum back up slightly, because we're going to need a little bit more space to make the transition between the drop and the furnace base. But we're going to pull the return air through the bottom and the side. Both, we're going to go back with 80%ers going back into our B vent, going up out the flue. Both of the water heaters go vent into and to be continued.